Hi friends, welcome back to MiniatureDiecast. Today we are going to unbox Hot Wheels Factory Fresh series, the Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0 in this stunning blue color. Before we crack this open, let's appreciate the packaging. Hot Wheels never disappoints, and this Factory Fresh edition is all about authenticity and precision. The Alfa Romeo GTV6 is a classic, and this casting does it justice. Now let's unbox to see other details of this Italian beauty. And here it is, the deep metallic blue finish, the iconic Alfa Romeo grille, the signature GTV6 body lines, and those classic wheels that scream vintage performance. This isn't just a diecast model, it's a tribute to the legendary V6 powerhouse that ruled the streets in the 1980s. The Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0 has that unmistakable aggressive stance, a car that looks like it belongs in a high-speed chase through dimly lit city streets. Its sharp, angular design, paired with the deep blue metallic finish, gives it a mysterious, mafia-like vibes. It's a 1/64 scale diecast. Chassis and interior made of plastic and body is made of metal. In rear side, I wish Hot Wheels put some taillight details. Unfortunately, that is missing. I can see only exhaust pipe details. From this side, I can see rear view mirrors, which is really nice. Turn indicators, which is embossed, and Hot Wheels badging. Now this is awesome. In front, we have painted pairs of headlight along with engine grille. Alfa Romeo logo is there, but not visible properly. Above this slot is for sunroof, I guess. Very beautiful livery. Now let's look at plastic-made chassis. It does not have much details except car manufacturer details. It does have exhaust pipes. I really like this wheels rims designs. It's matching with this casting. Now let's do a quick roll test. Yeah, it is very smooth rolling. I'm really impressed with this car. I have other blue livery cars like Shelby Cobra, Mazda RX-7 Blue, but I really like this one. The factory fresh Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0, an absolute collector's gem. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon for more epic reveals.